Nan third round of traditional Hagusup no Haisi could be top 5 position based on written have been select into Haisi game. Kana kainin ganda hai answer an introduction. Number 2 personality. Number 3 catwalk. Number 4 hin undress no tuninga and costume and tahisi and tehen banang ka kan ansi kana ranga na hi beautiful skin kan ansi hiseng hi kan judges in tuninga kan tahi ansi ka ka changsi I
I love reading, comics, singing, and traveling. My ambition is to become a teacher, as I love teaching and sharing my knowledge and help to understand and to learn more, and to create a better generation. And today I'm wearing our beautiful Kom traditional dress that is known as Lukamdar and participating Miss Mesome that is organized by the Komrem culture in Loikom. Thank you all and have a nice day.
A very good afternoon to everyone present here and our respective judges. This is your contestant number 2, Ningwene Kon from Psycho Village. I'm 18 years of age and currently I just finished my 12th standard just months ago. My hobbies are dancing, singing, and watching. As a student, I have been aimed to become an international cabin crew. And today, I'm wearing a beautiful traditional attire, which is called Pangkokbai. And the one I wear in my neck and my earring is made from Trichong and Maipon. At last, I want to thank the organizer of KRKI for giving us such a great opportunities for the Komrem teams to perform the Mesome Contest 2023. Thank you. Have a nice day. is Komrem contestant number 3 from Komrem village, a land of paradise. I'm 21 years of age. I have graduated in biology, the study of life. My hobbies are cooking, listening to music. My ambition is to become a successful businesswoman. Today I clothe myself with a beautiful com attire called Potkophoy and Mukhamjar. The strings on my head, necklace on my neck, and then the strings on my punway is all composed and designed from the Potkophoy and Mukhamjar. Thank you so much. Long live KR Kangdong. And then I would like to say by saying this word, Nizat Nipon, Nibon, Hana, Nidre Sairi Kibi, Karong Zordu, Karong Ling Sawarket, Kachoy Mansangsi, Hana Kamal Nutraksik. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was your contestant number 3, Karong Ling Sobar. Up next, we have Jasmine. Ladies and gentlemen, keep cheering for the beautiful contestant.
Good afternoon, anyone present here and respected judges. My name is Karong Jasmine Kong, contestant number 4. I'm from Tayong village. I'm 19 years of age. Last month, I completed my 12th standard from Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Maram. My hobbies are singing and dancing, and I'm interested in designing myself. And my ambition is to become an Air Force because as a girl, I like beauty and fashion, and to fly high up in the sky as a proud Air Force. Lastly, thank you for giving me this great opportunity to introduce myself in this HESOM that is organized by Komrem Culture in Loikom. Kay contestant number 4 at dunia kay tahap dressy, pun ko huy nam huy pun am ki, kana kakut tahap hin jaksar ki, kalule kana kana su karinga tahap hin trisung ki, kana mi pun rakip in hibasun ko huy tak hi, lemag en si a kay nek tik hin pa engen.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was your contestant number 4, Kate Jasmine. We now have your contestant number 5, Rebecca Cole. Please welcome your contestant number 5, Rebecca Cole.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm your contestant number 5. My name is Rebecca Kong. I'm from Ponchongjang village. My hobby is dancing. Kana puninga katahen banna dressy kom punko hoike. Designer by George Com. Thank you.
That was your contestant number 5, Rebecca Cole. Up next, we have the next contestant number 6, Monte Venus Cole.
Be
everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm contestant number 6. My name is Harima Lupeng, and I'm basically from Mokokching but currently staying in Imphal. I'm 20 years old. My hobbies include gardening, painting, and listening music. My ambition is to become a fashion designer. Today I'm wearing Kom traditional attire, Mukhamzar and Komrem. Thank you. Love you all.
That was your contestant number 6, Harima Lupeng. Next, we have your contestant number 8, Rachel Bar Lemon.
Good afternoon, judges and everyone present here. I am Rachel Kom from Mokokching village. Currently, I'm pursuing my BA at DM College of Arts. My hobby is to play football. And my aim in life is to become an air hostess. Today, I'm wearing a Kom attire dress, which is called Kamklang and Kamzar, designed by Komrem. For the last, I would like to thank the organizer of KRKI for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this Miss contestant. Thank you and have a nice day.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was your contestant number 7, Naitramar Karo. Up next, we have your contestant number 8, Rachel Karo. Please welcome.
A very good afternoon to you all, ladies and gentlemen, and to our respected jury members. I am your contestant number 8, Rachel Karo, and I'm from my community. I have just finished my 12th exam, and I'm 18 years of age. I love singing, dancing, and playing outdoor games. And my aim in life is to become international cabin crew. Today, I'm wearing Kon Haipun Trisum and Punkokuin Kurtan, designed by myself. Last but not least, I'm very happy and privileged to take part in this Haysome that is organized by the Komrem country in Welcome. Let's enjoy